Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. The question I've been sent is, why is conversion tracking important and should I be using conversion tracking for my Google Ads? The simple and the shortest answer is absolutely not. You should never run a campaign, whether it's Google Ads, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any kind of online advertising without conversion tracking. The thing is, without conversion tracking, you will not know what is working and what's not working. And I see this in a lot of accounts, and that the conversion tracking has not been set up properly, and the campaigns have been uh, uh, allowed to run, and the advertiser has spent a lot of money because you don't have the relevant and the right data in your account. You may be using hundreds of keywords or thousands of keywords. You won't know which ones are working and which ones are not working. Usually it's the 80-20. 20% of your keywords will give you 80% of the results. So if you were to know which 20% of your keywords are giving you the best results, you can easily pause the rest of the keywords and save that budget, which frees up that budget, and then you put that budget towards the better performing keywords. This way you are going to improve your conversion rate, you decrease and lower your cost per conversion, and your ROI, or the return on ad spend, goes up. So it's really a no-brainer. It takes literally a few minutes to set up a conversion. Now, what could be a conversion depends what your call to action is. If it's an e-commerce website and you are inviting people to make a purchase, then a purchase could be a conversion. If it's for a lead generation website where you are generating leads, you are asking the visitor to your website to fill in a form. Or you may, your call to action could be a phone call. So somebody clicks a call button on your website or on your ad, so you get the call, and that could be a conversion. So there are lots of different types of conversions which you can set up very easily. And once it is set up, you don't need to tweak it or change it or look after it. As long as the tag is on your website, Google Ads is going to continue to track it, and it will show you which campaigns, ad groups, keyword is giving you the best performance. So I would highly recommend that you set up your conversion tracking before you run any ads in Google or anywhere else. So I hope this answered your question. If you have any questions you may wish to be answered, please send it to me on info@sfdigital.co.uk, and I'll do my best to create a little video like this for you. So thanks for joining in, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next one.